AGD Biomedicals is known for researching, developing, and manufacturing biomedical equipment and reagents. Delivering excellent service globally, and defined by quality and precision, presents 4400. It is a compact floor model, fully automatic chemistry analyzer delivering 400 tests per hour for rapid analysis. With an advanced cooling system for 80 reagent positions and 93 sample positions with stat capability. Our analyzer includes 6 reaction holders with 90 individually replaceable PMMA cuvettes, offering a flexible and cost-effective solution. AGD 4400 features an 8-step onboard laundry system with advanced fountain wash, ensuring efficient probe and mixer cleaning while minimizing water usage. Triangular probe system with dual mixer ensures precise, safe, and minimal carryover. The bidirectional LAS function provides the convenience of automated data exchange in both directions. AGD 4400 has separate power switches for cooling and analyzer, ensuring 24/7 reagent stability while saving power during idle time. It has a well-developed software with multiple login profiles. With 12 fixed wavelengths, it ensures enhanced diagnostic precision across a broad testing range. Enables live monitoring, editable auto-dilution, multi-tab access, and reagent tracking for faster decisions. Online reaction curve simplifies result evaluation with an option to identify substrate depletion. The AGD 4400 intuitive software enables multipoint calibration, tri-level QC, and monitoring via LJ plots and Westgard rules for complete compliance. AGD 4400 offers a range of specialized system packs, providing customizable solutions for diverse customer needs. Elevate efficiency with our high-throughput instrument, setting new standards in automation and accuracy. Rely on our exceptional expertise and make the best choice for your lab.